1 to 5 increasing contra angle long screw, type head takedown and repair. Disassembly procedure. Unscrew the long screws at the bottom by screwdriver. Remove the head. Remove the drive shaft with tools. Detach the rear cover. Take out the core. Assembly procedure. Apply a circle of lubricant to the core unit's sealing ring. Align the core unit's positioning point with the slot of the head cover. Then gently insert the core. Reattach the rear cover and tighten. Reassemble the shaft with the head. Apply a circle of lubricant to the core unit's sealing ring. Press the parts back into the handpiece body until they securely into place. Install the screw onto the body. Rotate the bird to check. If the internal transmission shaft turns, smooth rotation means successful assembly.